to my cooking channel. Watch me fail at making pancakes. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making some fluffy vegan pancakes. I have got everything laid out here. Do you want to show them? I've got everything laid out. I'm so prepared because when we started getting ready for this video, I realized I didn't have my battery charged. Actually, the only vegan pancake recipe you will ever need, ever.
I said what I said, okay?
It's amazing. Maybe I should show you the ingredients you need first. So you're gonna need self-raising flour or plain flour, salt, baking powder, sugar, apple cider vinegar, oat milk or whatever milk you like to use, vanilla extract. The toppings are your choice. I've decided to go with blueberries, strawberries, bananas, maple syrup and Biscoff spread. I got the tiniest pan ever from Wilko and it literally cost £1, but I tried these, we did them yesterday and they came out so good, so we're gonna do them again. So we're gonna start. The first thing you wanna do is get a measuring cup or any cup and pour out 250 ml. Get 2 tablespoons of your apple cider vinegar, give it a shake. I literally got this one from like the black hair shop, but I'm pretty sure you can get it in supermarkets. So you want to pour 2 tablespoons into this. This makes it like buttermilk. I think like a teaspoon or something of vanilla extract, but I always just kind of eyeball it. And you want to do this first because you need to let this mixture sit for like 5 to 7 minutes before you start mixing it in with the rest of your dry ingredients. So that's why we're doing that first. So we'll come back to that in a bit. I feel like I'm on a cooking show. We'll come back to that in a minute. What am I doing next? Okay, the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to take a cup of plain flour. I have self-raising. You're going to take, it says a tablespoon of baking powder, but because this flour is self-raising, I'm just going to use a little bit less. Half-ish, kind of. And I don't know why I put it in the sieve, that's not necessary. And then you're going to take 2 teaspoons, no, not teaspoons, tablespoons of sugar. And put that in there, 1, 2. I think it says a teaspoon of salt, but I just do that. Is it on? And we're back. I've waited about, I don't even know, what, 5-7 minutes, and the oat milk is a bit thicker now, so I'm just going to mix it in. If you were maybe someone who was a bit more organized, you would maybe have a whisk. I only have a fork, so that's what we're going to do. It's now a bit smooth. I feel like it's watery, but we're going to give it a go. Maybe if we need a bit more flour, we'll just add that in as we go on. Time for the tiny pan! I'm so excited. It's like this barely fits on our actual hob. We just about balance it to make it work. I don't know about everyone else, but for me, when I make pancakes, I think the pancake comes out much better when I don't use oil than when I do. But up to you if you want to use butter or oil. Just enough to cover the bottom. Where's my spatula? See all those little bubbles in there? And then that usually means that it's cooked enough on one side to let it flip. So let's try flip it. This is not panning out. Look, that's awful. I'll still eat that one, I'm not even gonna lie. It's really fluffy inside and I feel like that's what matters the most. It's not the look, but the texture.
Just gonna make a bit of that.
Joey doesn't share food!
Round 2, let's try it again. I'll put a bit less this time, let's see how this works out. Why is it? It's not happening today.
It's alright.
I think I said in my first video, but I'm not a chef and I'm not trying to be one. I'm just trying to share recipes that I like with people. All the videos that I was watching was like they had all the money to buy whatever they needed to make those like extra bougie fancy recipes, and I just couldn't afford that.
Bougie products.
Yeah, all those bougie products, and I just feel like, I don't know, that's not me. Sometimes, but not always. So I feel like this is a place to just share some recipes, and if we fail together, but it'll probably still taste good. And that's the main thing, I think. Let's try this one. Oh, this is terrible. Yesterday was just like, it was a fluke. Or maybe the heat's too high. Maybe that's it. Oh, better, better. Still not shaped like a pancake though, but better. Oh, I made you some breakfast. Look, you can't eat it. I feel like I failed.
No, you haven't.
You know, in the supermarket when it's like odd shaped fruits, or
Yeah.
what are they called? That's what these pancakes are. Misshapen. Because I feel like those people that make perfect pancakes every time, it's a lie and it's deceiving. I feel like it's not real, it's a myth. And maybe we've just cottoned onto something. That's much better. That's so good. Okay, I'm feeling more confident. I'm feeling more confident. And then I say that, and then this one's gonna flop. Watch, just watch. How did the chefs do this, you know? That's better.
And
It's hurting a little bit that I can't get it perfect. It's definitely rising more. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe I just wasn't giving it enough time to rise to the occasion, literally. Do you see what I did there? Mm-hmm. Why aren't you laughing though? Because it's funny. Can you laugh?
Har.
Oh Lord, I want to eat now. Do you ever get to that point? Is it just me? You're cooking something but it's just taking so long to cook and you're just like, I just want to eat it now. Like, can it just be done now? I wish my life was like cartoons, you know, when it just cuts from one to the other. Just me. I feel like I should use a bigger pan. I'll probably be able to flip it much easier, but I also feel like this pan is just too cute. And they're just so tiny. And because they're smaller, then you get more. And who doesn't want more pancakes? And then we'll do the toppings. Okay, so now we're going to use some Biscoff spread. I've just taken a tablespoon and I've put it in this mug, and I'm gonna heat this up for like 20 seconds. It was supposed to be like a dramatic like swoop down of like fruit, but there's no time anymore. Hunger is here. It's just running now. So now what I'm gonna do, this is the bougie part. This is the part I'm excited about. Oh, what are you saying about that? Shut your mouth. Look at that. Look at that. You don't need to go to a restaurant. You can be your own Gordon Ramsay. How did I forget about ice cream? That's so disrespectful. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you followed along, let me know how you got on, and let me know if you also failed at making, you know, the perfect brown top of a pancake. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.